Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, August 14th, 2023. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, it's quiet right now. It's not going to be later on this evening, that is for sure, with waves of showers and thunderstorms in the way. But first, let's talk about the current conditions. Temperatures this morning range from the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s in your suburbs, lower to mid 70s in your urban areas. Winds are light and variable, and we have a mix of sun and clouds throughout the region with some low clouds hanging around, especially around the New York City metro. That is driven by an easterly wind ahead of a stationary front. Now, what's going to be setting up here is this area of low pressure is going to continue to organize and is associated with what we call positively tilted trough. What that essentially means is that all your strongest liftings kind of align like this, okay? Now, what that's going to support is this stationary front lifting northward as a warm front. You see these showers right here? They're not reaching the ground. This is mid-level moisture transport that is taking place. So you have these low clouds as a result showing up, which we can see very nicely on the visible satellite picture. These low clouds will continue to hang around the region today and steadily break up as they do so as this warm front starts to lift northward. So for much of today, we'll have easterly winds taking control, gradually giving way to the southeast as the warm front approaches. As the warm front lifts northward, you can see here's our upper level low back here, and you can see the positively tilted trough motion here. This warm front is going to lift northward this evening and start to produce scattered showers and thunderstorms. And some of those thunderstorms can produce severe weather, and those severe thunderstorms will be capable of producing very heavy downpours, lightning, wind gusts over 55 miles per hour, and yes, there is that isolated tornado threat. As it stands right now, because of the timing of the frontal passage, your best potential for today for tornadoes will be down towards Virginia and Maryland. However, as that warm front lifts northward, that tornado threat will go along with it. Very small, very isolated, but still a possibility. So we're definitely going to watch out for that as this warm front is lifting northward. Then this cold front that's associated with this upper level low will follow for tomorrow afternoon with additional scattered showers and thunderstorms. And again, a few of those thunderstorms could be severe. So let's dive into this forecast for today. For today, look for increasing cloud cover. We'll have that easterly wind, so we'll have some low and mid-level clouds, mix of sun and clouds, high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid-80s over the northern interior and along the coast, upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. I can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm starting to pop up in the late afternoon hours, especially down towards the Philadelphia metro and southern New Jersey as the warm front gets closer. For tonight into tomorrow morning, the warm front lifts through the region with waves of showers and thunderstorms. A few of these thunderstorms could be severe. We might be looking at some flash flooding in some spots, wind damage, and also that frequent vivid lightning and poor visibility. So not exactly the best travel conditions around midnight tonight, that is for sure. Look for low temperatures tomorrow morning in the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s everywhere else, and more of a muggy atmosphere in place. By the time we get to the afternoon hours, the cold front will slowly approach the region with waves of showers and thunderstorms developing, continuing to move through in the evening hours. Look for high temperatures to range from the lower to mid 80s over the interior and along the coast, upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. All that clears off the coast by Wednesday morning with scattered cloud cover by the afternoon. Low temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid 70s to lower 80s over the northern interior, lower to mid 80s along the coast, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Thursday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover expected. Look for low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s over the interior and along the coast, upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Friday, another cold front will move through with showers and thunderstorms. This cold front is going to move much faster because this time we'll have a negatively tilted trough. So the cold front moves faster, everything moves faster. So as a result of that, look for temperatures to range from the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. In the afternoon, look for high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s over the northern interior, where the cold front will move through faster, lower to mid 80s along the coast, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, Sunday, and next Monday, high pressure will be in control with tranquil conditions expected. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid-50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid-70s to lower 80s over the northern interior, lower to mid-80s along the coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.